In the blessed household of Imam Hussain, on the 11th of Sha'ban, a radiant light was born, Hazrat Ali Akbar, the son who bore the likeness of his great-grandfather, the Holy Prophet. His face shone with the beauty of the Messenger of Allah. His voice echoed the words of truth, and his character was a reflection of nobility and valor. From a young age, Ali Akbar displayed unmatched wisdom, compassion, and courage. His birth was a moment of joy for Ahlul Bayt, a sign of hope, and a testament to the unwavering spirit of Islam. His presence was a reminder of the strength of faith, a heart filled with love for Allah, and a soul destined for sacrifice. Today, as we celebrate his birth, we remember the lessons he left for us: steadfastness, unwavering faith, and devotion to truth. May we strive to follow in his footsteps and uphold the values he lived for.